We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Mirason drone with camera, a foldable drone designed for kids, beginners, and casual users alike. If you own this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now let's dive into what users love and what they don't about this drone. The Mirason drone with camera has been praised for its ease of use and impressive features, making it an excellent choice for those new to drones. The standout feature is its 1080p HD FPV camera, which provides clear and smooth video quality. Many users were pleasantly surprised by the clarity of the images and videos captured, especially given the drone's affordable price point. The camera's 90 degrees adjustability allows users to capture stunning aerial shots from different angles, making it perfect for social media enthusiasts or anyone looking to document their adventures. Another key feature that sets this drone apart is its brushless motor. Users have noted that the motor operates quietly and efficiently, offering better performance and durability compared to standard motors. This is particularly important for outdoor use, as the brushless motor provides enough power to resist wind effectively. Combined with the inclusion of two 1,500 mAh batteries, the Mirason drone offers up to 36 minutes of flight time, an impressive duration that allows for extended fun and exploration. For beginners and kids, the Mirason drone is designed with user-friendly features that make flying straightforward and enjoyable. Functions like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and 3-speed settings simplify operation, even for those with no prior experience. Many reviewers appreciated these features, stating that they made it easy to get started without feeling overwhelmed. The included quick start guide and intuitive app also received positive feedback for helping users navigate setup and controls with ease. The drone's compact and foldable design is another highlight. It comes neatly packaged in a carrying case, making it portable and convenient to transport. This portability has made it a popular choice among campers and travelers who want a lightweight, yet capable drone to capture their outdoor experiences. Additionally, the inclusion of extra blades and a screwdriver in the package was noted as a thoughtful touch by several users. However, not all feedback was glowing. One common complaint was the fragility of the propeller blades. While the drone comes with one set of replacement blades, some users found that they broke easily during use. Unfortunately, there is currently no option to purchase additional replacement blades separately, which could render the drone unusable once all blades are damaged. This is an area where potential buyers should exercise caution. Another minor drawback mentioned by some reviewers was the limited range of the drone's connectivity. With a maximum range of 50 meters, approximately 0.05 kilometers, this drone is best suited for close-range flights rather than long-distance exploration. While this limitation may not be an issue for beginners or casual users, it's worth noting for those who may require greater range capabilities. In terms of performance, many users were impressed by how steady and responsive the drone felt during flight. Features like gravity control mode and 360 degrees flips added an element of fun and excitement to their flying experience. Gesture control for photo and video capture was another feature that stood out, allowing users to take hands-free shots effortlessly. These innovative features make the Mirason drone more than just a beginner's gadget. It's a device that can grow with you as you become more confident in your flying skills. The build quality of the drone also received mixed reviews. While most users found it lightweight yet sturdy enough for casual use, others felt that certain components could be more durable. For example, some reviewers noted that the plastic material used in its construction might not withstand rough handling or accidental crash as well. That said, its lightweight design does contribute positively to its portability and ease of use. Overall, the Mirason drone with camera has proven to be a fantastic entry-level option for those looking to explore the world of drones without breaking the bank. Its combination of user-friendly features, impressive camera quality, and extended flight time makes it an appealing choice for kids, beginners, and casual hobbyists alike. While there are some areas for improvement, such as offering additional replacement blades, the overall value provided by this drone far outweighs its drawbacks. If you're considering purchasing this drone as a gift or for personal use, it's worth noting that many reviewers have described it as an ideal present for tech-savvy kids or anyone interested in aerial photography. The thoughtful design elements, like its foldable structure and included carrying case, make it a practical choice for on-the-go use. In conclusion, the Mirason drone with camera delivers on its promise of being an easy-to-use yet feature-packed device suitable for beginners and kids. Its strengths lie in its high-quality camera capabilities, quiet brushless motor performance, extended flight time, and beginner-friendly controls. While there are some minor limitations in terms of durability and range, these do not significantly detract from its overall appeal as an affordable entry-level drone. If you've tried this product yourself or are planning to purchase it soon, we encourage you to leave your review in the comments below. Your feedback can help others make informed decisions about whether this drone is right for them. And remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description above. Using it supports our channel as we continue bringing you detailed reviews like this one.